Miss Destiny is Native American girl.
Yes.
So turn around, let me show them how I did your hair. So I just braided her hair down, and I braided her hair in two. What braid? I didn't braid her hair. I just did two ponytails and then braided the ends, and then did the little thingy right here. So it makes it look like, turn around, like it's a Native American hairstyle. Probably could have, but I don't know how.
You're being racist.
I'm being racist, really, babe? Really? How's that racist? How am I being racist? You said it.
Sounds racist.
Ugh. This is her outfit.
Leg warmer.
Those are this is her leg warmer, and then this is her dress. It's tight. And then Jaxson is Indiana Jones. Where's your hat? Where's your hat and your whip?
Upstairs.
Upstairs? Good morning, Rob.
Good morning.
Did you make me? No, 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 no. What do you need? Good morning, Rob. What's your problem? I thought so. Good morning, Rob. How are you, Rob? How you doing? What are you having for breakfast?
Some bread and cheese.
That's it? Who made your breakfast?
I did.
Janice is not here to make your breakfast. I feel so sorry for you. Oh, look at my butterflies. Are you guys my butterflies?
No.
I don't know what butterflies are.
You don't know what butterflies are? Are you being serious? Or you just want me to come over there and smack you? Madison.
We're not freaking butterflies, we're humans.
Look at my humans. That's so corny. Look at my humans. Go on, Rob. Go on. Ooh, I love when you wear sweatpants. Let me see what you're working with. Rob! Oh, let me see what you're wearing, Jordan. Okay.
That's wearing my church shoes or my sneakers?
You wear your sneakers. Okay. That's fine.
I'm
What
waiting
are you wearing?
Where's Jason?
You brushed some dirty ass horse teeth?
Did you brush your horse teeth? Babe, really you have to be that mean? Why do you have to be so mean, Rob? Did you wash your hair?
Check his hair.
Let me see.
Check his head for dry crap.
Okay. It looks clean. Go brush it. Brush your hair. You need to brush your hair.
Brush it.
Rob, you have anything to say to your newly found fans? They seem to love you.
Yeah, I need some money.
Well, you want them to pay your bills?
I need money.
What's wrong with you paying your own bills?
Huh?
What's wrong with you paying your own bills? Are you gonna make me coffee, baby?
Nope.
Why?
You got cheese cooking, you didn't pour me none.
Is that what this about? Is this what it's about, Rob?
That's what it's come down to.
You gotta give me my cake.
Where the hell are the freaking...
The plates are on that side, Rob. No, those are cups.
No, I need something to fill the coffee there with.
So, we are on our way to the blessing program at the church for the kids. So that church is putting on a program for the kids that go to school. It's not really our church, but we're gonna go. And then after that, we have to go to Marcelo's job function thingy. I'm not wearing any makeup because I have really bad breakouts, and I think it's the makeup that's breaking me out. And then after that, we having one of Marcelo's really close friends. He's coming over with his kids. So I woke up this morning and I had to make sure that everything was picked up, because can you imagine putting another 4 or 5 kids on top of what we have, and then the mess? Oh no, It's 10:31. We gotta go because we gotta be there at 10:45. So I will see you guys once we get there. Let me show you guys Destiny's little costume. There you go. Is it the light on? Oh, okay. So there you have it. And I had her put tights on because I didn't like the fact that it had none. And Mr. Jackson is Indiana Jones. And then the boys are gonna be Irish. Their costume is gonna be provided by a teacher, so they'll meet them there to get their stuff on. Do you guys check your the air in your tire? Because for some reason he thinks that I should check the air in my tire. That's what I have a man for. He's supposed to be making sure that my car is running in tip-top shape. Like, what's the point of having a man if he can't
Well,
what?
you're acting like you gotta check your tires physically.
No, but
the computer tells you everything we're doing.
I know, but that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to check the car and make sure it's running.
You're supposed to cook dinner every night. Every night. Make sure I'm not hungry.
You're always hungry, Rob. I would be cooking every 5 seconds. You're always hungry. It's nothing new. But he thinks that I should check the air in my tire. I could do a better job. What's that look for, Rob?
Because you gotta put a gauge to the tire. You only gotta.
Are you gonna put gas after?
Yeah, after.
Oh, okay. You have the address to the church?
No, I thought we were going to their school.
No, babe, I said no.
No. And as you see, we are all dressed in some either the country of the native country of our parents, or the country of our choice, or representing the United States of America. Back in the day, we've come as pilgrims and Indians, Native Americans. So we'll be talking.
The church program. I couldn't record much because the city in which we live in was like plastered all over the screen, so I was like no, I don't feel like blurring out anything. So now we're on our way to his job function thingy that it was not really his job. Well, they gave him tickets to go to, what is it, a museum park? Yeah. Rob is on his period today, so every now and then he gets mad at me. Every now and then. I swear he's worse than me. So I have to deal with that. So my husband is even worse. He PMS harder than I do. And people don't believe that men do get PMS symptoms. He be spazzing out on me for no reason. Right, Rob?
No.
Looking over there like the Pillsbury man. Hi, Rob.
Pillsbury Doughboy.
I'm done. Why'd you fix your shirt, Rob? Rob got a new girlfriend on our channel. He has a new girlfriend. They were like, he's so hot. And they're like, he's so handsome. If you want him, you can have him. Look at him.
I can light a cigarette on myself.
Round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Really? Is it good? You want to share? You sharing? Oh my word. She's not sharing her chicken.
Yeah, but look, I had to give her pizza.
Oh, Daddy gave you pizza?
Yeah. But she won't give me no chicken.